Spring's here, and with it, it brings a new season of hope, a new season of joy, a new season of revitalization. Here in Hawaii, the winter rains have somewhat subsided, and the weather is starting to look really nice. We're getting some warmer days, more sunlight, longer hours, and our grass is starting to take off. Now this video is gonna be not so much about lawn care, but more so about things in life, you know? Getting out here and mowing the grass is my time to kind of reflect on things, reflect on life. I get to enjoy the breeze while working a little hard, perspiring a little, doing what I like to do in the yard. This past year has been quite busy and a lot of changes in my life. I lost my father in January. You know, I haven't talked about it much to anyone, but getting out in the yard, I tell you, really helps to clear your mind, think about things, all the things that my father taught me growing up. And to some degree, a lot of the things that I do is because of him. You know, to have a lawn in Hawaii is something. Land is not cheap, and a lot of people choose to build a bigger house instead of having a yard. They'll pour concrete where green space used to be, to have extra parking, and not to have to deal with mowing the grass. But there's something about mowing, you know? Just getting out there, it's very relaxing. Every time I mow, I always look at this mango tree here, and I remember this mango tree when I was growing up. It used to be our clubhouse, it used to be our hangout. Me and my brother, we used to have our own separate branches that we sat on and watched the world go around us, you know? Fast forward 40-something years, the mango tree is doing well. Just like everything else, it's aging. I'd estimate this mango tree to be well over 80 or 90 years old. It hasn't produced fruit for quite a while now, and it's mainly home for birds to nest in. You know, it gives nice shade to the yard where the kids have a nice place to play without getting overheated. Well, as I look ahead in 2023, I'm very optimistic. I have plans for my yard, which I hope I can see to fruition. It's always a balancing act between family time, budget. But I tell you something, there's nothing like being out in the lawn.
I really appreciate each and every single one of you watching my videos, and a special shout out to all my Hawaii people out here who are supporting me. I wish you the very best in your life and in your lawn for 2023. And like always, I'll be here in the next video. And aloha.